we have done academic conclave. Before this, we were generally doing the science exhibition, math presentation, but today the special feature when all the subjects, whatever we teach, right from Hindi, English, science, math, and the best part, general knowledge flip that teaches the financial literacy along with computer, how the small children, and the second best part covering all the subject and all the age group students right from 2 years, like PG student also chanted a beautiful rhyme with the help of teaching aid star, twinkle twinkle little star. So this was the marvelous right from 2 years age group to the 14 and 15 years age group children.
Explain how water transport like pictures and all using that, and bond liter is good for my baby girl. Thank you.
Demonstrate this project. Uh, First of all, we made this house and there is a tank placed in it. Uh, First, we will on the switch. Srijani, please pour the water in it. When the water is poured in it, the and water get touched by these metallic probes. The buzzer circuit get completed and buzzer start ringing. It indicates that tank is full and it needs to switch off the motor.
मेरा टॉपिक विलोम शब्द है। तो आज हम जानेंगे विलोम शब्द के बारे में। ऐसे शब्द जो एक दूसरे का विपरीत अर्थ बताते हैं उन्हें विलोम शब्द या विपरीतार्थिक शब्द कहते हैं। जैसे आगे, पीछे, बड़ा, छोटा, असली, नकली, ऊपर, नीचे।
स्कूल के तरफ से जो ये प्रोग्राम हुआ है बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, बच्चे के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, हेल्पफुल है। स्कूल भी बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चे अच्छा कर लेते हैं, टीचर्स भी अच्छे हैं। सब
Parts of the car: bonnet, indicator light, headlight and number plate.
And we have created this project to demonstrate project to conserve energy and to avoid wastage of electricity as well.
some more benefits of this project are it requires low maintenance and conserves energy. You can see that when the car passes through the sensor, the lights are turned on. Means the sensor is detecting it and turning on or turning off the lights. So
यहाँ के विद्यालय के विषय में जो प्रधानाचार्य मैडम हैं उनके विषय में जो उनकी सोच है वो अग्रिम भारत को एक नई उड़ान देने को तैयार है।
मैम, सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मैम। आज के एक्टिविटी को लेकर क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम?
First of all, I am very thankful that you have spared your valuable time and came over here to witness, and your presence definitely motivated my students because you are the people who are going to capture their performance and rotate entire the city. First of all, this conclave was academic conclave. Generally, the school till now has done the program like a sports day, annual function, also celebrating the important days of the Hindu calendar. But today what we have done academic conclave. Before this, we were generally doing the science exhibition, math presentation, but today the special feature when all the subjects, whatever we teach, right from Hindi, English, science, math, and the best part, general knowledge flip that teaches the financial literacy along with computer, how the small children, and the second best part covering all the subject and all the age group students right from 2 years, like PG student also chanted a beautiful rhyme with the help of teaching aid star, twinkle twinkle little star. So this was the marvelous right from 2 years age group to the 14 and 15 years age group children, what they learned from their teachers, mentor within the classroom. Today they just showcase their potential and talent in the different subject to their parents. Today the special guest of this program was the children parents who really want to know what our children do within the classroom. So today they exhibited this academic conclave platform provided by all Mount Litrin students to showcase their different subject skill and potential.
मैम, पेरेंट्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
A very good question. You know what happens? Just last week we have done the parent teacher meet that happened after the exam term 1 half-yearly exam got over. I found that many students they don't have that much of capacity to express in writing. Though Indian education system has the exam parameter, exam assessment where the one child has to write. If a child couldn't write, it doesn't mean that the child doesn't have the potential, that it doesn't have the knowledge of that subject. Today, the children who couldn't write with beautiful handwriting, though the school works continuously, today they found that the children who were not making happy to the parents with the help of exam result, those parents were boundless, amazed today after getting the performance of the student when the students were speaking English and elaborating the subject concepts, and the best part, the willingness and the curiosity. I found it was on the higher note of the students, teachers and the parents, and this is only the education does, unlocking the hidden potential with the help of the strength of education.
मैम बच्चे आज जो मैंने देखा था प्रोजेक्ट का उसमें मैम प्राचीन से लेकर मध्य से लेकर आधुनिक करिकुलम को भी दर्शाया, बच्चे ने शिक्षा को दर्शाया, उस पर क्या कहेंगे?
बस मैं the only thing which I want to tell, AI, this is the first integration of NEP 2020. So I am very happy that you spotted that difference also. AI also, the children have done so many mega projects on AI, and I am very thankful. And how school is incorporating कोणार्क मंदिर भी था, साबरमती आश्रम भी था, that NCERT has given such topics to the students with the help of this literature subject in Hindi as well and in social studies. We let the parents know that how, when it is the part of curriculum, how the students are gaining the strength with the help of the different subjects. AI, it's a NEP 2020, but the students were ready to depict how it can work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Mount Litera academic conclave already has earlier plan, so has happened, and it's fantastic. You can say that because the most of the stalls that is decorated, and students are also able to speak about their project, what is about project. They have explained well, and so many parents also have involved in this activity. So many childs, and including all the Mount Little family have enjoyed a lot.
Today our school organized an educational conclave of the science and all other subjects. It was not a conclave and event, it was the completely focused on the learning platform that is on the activity based, and it is shown on the platform. It is a platform of the learning activity.
माउंट लिटरा पब्लिक स्कूल के शिक्षा के विषय में पहले से ही बहुत ज़्यादा इसके विषय में बताया जा चुका है, लेकिन आज का जो ये कॉन्क्लेव लगाया गया था, यह भाषा मेला, वह सार्वभौमिक विकास के विषय में अगर कहा जाए तो छोटी बात ना होगी, कारण कि साइंस, SST, हिंदी, संस्कृत और GK फ्लिप, यहाँ तक कि कंप्यूटर, एक भी अंग्रेजी, हर एक विषय का जितना भी छात्र और जो शिक्षक बहुत ही तल्लीनता के साथ इसके विषय में बहुत इसका जो है मेहनत करके प्रोजेक्ट को बनाए थे.
Today we have conducted academic conclave. Academic conclave was very excellent. All parents came to visit and appreciate all the students. All the students as well as parents were very happy, and they learned various things.
Today we had academic conclave in various subjective wise: English, Hindi, SST, science, GK flip, maths, every subject, and it was really more than academic conclave. I would say that this is academic fest. It's supposed to call academic fest, a festival. Yes, I would appreciate all my dear students. Being a guide and teacher, I would never expect that they had done such a fabulous work.
At first, thank you to Begusrai Khabar, and today I am very happy to conduct a academic conclave. I am Manas Kumar, HOD of Maths. Here today, academic conclaves are conductive of all the subjects, and in my view, all the students' efforts are praisable. And I am going to thanks a lot to my school management, which supports in every moment to the students as well as teachers. And I am very happy, and I want to next time I will do better than today's. Thank you.
Today was a educational conclave in Mount Litra. I am HOD of SST, and this program was very magnificent program for students. And I hope that next year we will come more and more projects for educational purpose.
बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, एक्सप्लेन भी किया है, देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा। बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
It was good performance for all childs. Children are very good done. We have to motivate also again children, and all children are very good performance.
बच्चे बहुत ही प्रतिभा संपन्न बच्चे हैं और प्रतिभा मतलब इन लोगों को खुलने का भी बहुत अच्छा मौका दिया। अपने विचार को बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर किया है इन्होंने।
बहुत सारा योगदान है इसके अंदर, अच्छे एग्जीबिशन लगाए हुए हैं। बच्चे का जो है अपना नॉलेज इससे जो है सार्थक होगा। बच्चे कहाँ तक एक्सेल कर सकते हैं वो तो स्कूल के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। और बाकी ये जो प्रोग्राम चल रहा है ये काफ़ी अच्छा है, इससे बच्चे लोग ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड होंगे। प्रोग्राम रहा स्कूल की तरफ से जो लगाया गया है, इसमें बच्चों का मनोबल को उत्साहित करने के लिए लगाया गया है। बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है और समय समय पर ऐसे लगना चाहिए ताकि बच्चों का इंक्रीजमेंट हो और ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट भी हो।
आज का एक्टिविटी सच में एफर्टलेस था, बच्चों के तरफ से, टीचर्स की तरफ से, हर एक एक्टिविटी हर एक सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर बेस किया गया है। सच में मतलब लाजवाब है बच्चों की तरफ का एफर्ट। थैंक्स टू प्रिंसिपल मैम ऐसा एक प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट करने के लिए, और आशा करते हैं कि आगे भी ऐसे कंडक्ट करते रहेंगे।
ठाकुर of junior KG, two consonant when put together make a single sound are called digraphs.
ये मेरा इधर जस्ट ट्रांसफ़र हुआ तो मैं इधर आ गया और पता चला मॉडल लिटरेचर स्कूल के बारे में, यहाँ पे नाम लिखाया। 2 दिन पहले ही मैं रात में बना रहा था इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, ठीक है, मैडम ने बताया था। और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ की एवरी वीक कम से कम ये रहता है कि बच्चे जो है कम से कम ये 4 से 5 पोएम विथ यू नो एक्शन के साथ। तो मैंने इसको एक दिन बोला कि बेटा आप एक्टिंग कर रहे हो, देन शी टोल्ड कि नो पापा मैं एक्टिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं एक्शन कर रही हूँ।
स्कूल का ये एक्टिविटी वाकई बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। हम ये कहना चाहेंगे कि हर स्कूल में इस ढंग का एक्टिविटी अवश्य होनी चाहिए। इससे बच्चों में का हेजिटेशन तो खत्म होता ही है, उसमें एक्टिविटी करने की लालसा भी बढ़ती है। इसलिए हर स्कूल को चाहिए कि इस ढंग से एक्टिविटी अवश्य करें। हाँ, थोड़ा एक चीज़ और है कि बच्चों में जैसे थोड़ा क्राउड है वो थोड़ा कम होनी चाहिए, तब जो है जो भी विजिटर्स आते हैं उनको समझने में सुविधा होती है। लेकिन बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है, लगातार इस ढंग का हमेशा होते ही रहना चाहिए।
Our mathematics program. Its name is EPO automatic signal machine. EPO means even prime odd. It signifies which number is even, which is odd, and which is prime. For example, 1 is if odd number, so it only shows odd. 2 is even and prime both, so it shows both.
We make the algebraic formula, and here in left side we have written the algebraic expression, and here we written the expanded form of there. For knowing the answer, we check like this. We do like this for checking the correct answer. When answer is correct, the buzzer make the sound. When the answer is incorrect, the buzzer didn't make the sound.
Project is LCM project and identification and exploration of different types of angles. So our first project is LCM project.
So LCM stands for lowest common multiple. With the help of this project, we are going to show how this process works.
So we are taking the example of two numbers like 2 and 3. So when we will pull the script, we are going to find the LCM of these both numbers like 2 and 3.
So, the first common multiple is 6, though the LCM of 2 and 3 becomes 6. Our next project is based on types of angles. An angle is a plane figure formed by two rays having a common endpoint. There are 6 types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. So, the first type of angle is acute angle, whose measure is between 0 degree and 90 degree. Here we demonstrated it. The next type of angle is right angle, whose measure is 90 degree. Here we demonstrated it. Our next type of angle is obtuse angle, whose measure is between 90 degree and 180 degree. Here we demonstrated it. Our next type of angle is a straight angle, whose measure is 180 degree. Here we demonstrated it. Our next type of angle is reflex angle, whose measure is between 180 degree and 360 degree. Here we demonstrated it. Our last type of angle is complete angle, whose measure is 360 degree. Here we demonstrated it. Thank you for giving your precious time to us.
Basically, we have made the water tank alarm and we are very happy to be at a science exhibition, Curiosity Carnival Academic Conclave. So first I would like to call Aparna Singh to explain the whole thing in a short summary.
Good morning, my name is Aparna Singh of Standard 8 Bunny, and today I am having this opportunity to explain the Chartable project of water tank alarm in a short summary. So basically, a water tank alarm is a device which alerts us when the water level in a tank is too high, means overflowing, or too low, means empty. And it works using float switches which is placed inside the water tank. And it works using float switches which is placed inside the water tank. And the benefits are it saves water, it saves electricity, it prevents water from burnout, and it is very easy to install and use, and it is an environment friendly solution. Thank you.
Demonstrate this project. First of all, we made this house and there is a tank placed in it. First we will on the switch. Srijani, please pour the water in it. When the water is poured in it, the water get touched by these metallic probes. The buzzer circuit get completed and buzzer start ringing. It indicates that tank is full and they needs to switch off the motor.
This project also has many benefits. First, it helps us to save the water. Second, it prevents overflow and damage. Third, it saves electricity by reminding us to switch off the motor. And fourth, it is very affordable and easy to make it at home.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I am Akriti. We are going to say phonics. A F B B C K D D E F F G H I E J K K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Water transport is the movement of people and goods using boats and ships on water. Leaf is floating. Eraser is sinking.
माउंट लिटरा स्कूल के साथ मैं 3 साल से जुड़ी हूँ। वो स्कूल में पढ़ने के बाद मेरे बच्चे में बहुत बदलाव आया है। पढ़ने लिखने में भी, खाना खाने में भी, खुद हाथों से खाना भी खाता है, ड्राइंग भी करता है। और स्कूल का जो टीचर है वो है एकदम लाइक अ मदर। अच्छा लग रहा है। सभी बच्चे सब बढ़िया से एग्जीबिशन अच्छा किए हुए। प्रोग्राम में प्रिंसिपल भी बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी उनका बहुत अच्छा है। छोटे बच्चे लोग भी बहुत अच्छा बनाए।
My project name is determiners. Determiners are words that are used before nouns to specify how the noun is going to be used. There are 8 types of determiners, as you can see. The definition of determiners are written here and examples are also here. This is the model of part of speech. There are 8 types of part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, and conjunction, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, etc.
I begin, it is important to introduce ourselves. My name is Vanya Gupta from class 7 Bani and she is my friend.
I am Kumari Purani from class 7 Bani and we are going to present an English model.
And the theme of this model is am, the pronouns that use is, am, are, and they are also known as helping and auxiliary verbs, and we are understand by this project.
The pronoun that, he, it, she, this is suitable for is,
and the pronoun they, you, those, and these is suitable for are,
and only I is suitable for am.
Thank you, and we made this project in only one day, so this is too small.
Going to represent our SST model, thermal power plant.
A thermal power plant that burns with the help of fuel, creating high pressure of amount steams that turbines rotates and the electricity is produced.
Coal is preserved and in the boiler and the coal is crushed in the boiler.
The heat from the burning fuel boils water in the boiler and then it's produced high pressure and high temperature steam.
मैंने ये मॉडल गांधी जी के साबरमती आश्रम की बनाई है, स्थित है। इसका स्थापना 25 मई 1915 को हुआ था। गांधी जी ने अपने आश्रम का बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ख्याल रखा है। गांधी जी ने अपने आश्रम का काम खुद किया करते थे। गांधी जी जैसे कि झाड़ू लगाते थे, साफ सफाई करते थे, खाना बनाते थे इत्यादि।
मॉडल मेरा है। जल चक्र वह प्राकृतिक प्रक्रिया है जिसमें पानी विभिन्न अवस्थाओं में पृथ्वी के सतह, वायुमंडल और पृथ्वी के नीचे लगातार घूमता है, जिससे पानी का संतुलन धरती पर बना रहता है। इसमें वाष्पीकरण, वाष्पोत्सर्जन, संघनन और अंतस्पदन भी होता है, जिससे हमारी धरती का क्लाइमेट भी बराबर रहता है।
तो मैं आपको पहले बताने जा रही हूँ कोणार्क टेम्पल के बारे में। यह मंदिर ओडिशा में स्थित है। यह 13वीं शताब्दी में बनाया गया था। इस मंदिर की खासियत इसका आर्किटेक्चर है। ये सूर्य भगवान के ऊपर डिपिक्टेड है और इस मंदिर में एक बहुत बड़ा सा पहिया भी लगा है और 7 घोड़े हैं जो कि सूर्य भगवान के रथ को खींचते हैं। और अब आते हैं हम भारतीय शिक्षा प्रणाली की ओर। ये प्रोजेक्ट भारतीय शिक्षा प्रणाली और उसके इतिहास को दर्शाता है। सबसे पहले हम आते हैं गुरुकुल शिक्षा प्रणाली के ऊपर। सबसे पहले क्या होता था कि गुरु लोग जो होते थे शिष्यों को अपने साथ गुरुकुल में रखते थे और उन्हें मौखिक रूप से पढ़ाते थे और उन्हें ज्ञान के साथ साथ और भी बहुत सारी कलाएं सिखाई जाती थी। फिर आते हैं हम मध्यकालीन भारत की तरफ। मध्यकाल में जब मुगलों ने हमारे ऊपर इन्वेशन किया था, तब भारतीय शिक्षा प्रणाली में बहुत सारे बदलाव आए थे। मदरसों की शुरुआत हुई थी। मदरसों में इस्लाम धर्म के ऊपर ज़्यादा जोर दिया जाता था। फिर आते हैं हम मॉडर्न इंडिया की तरफ। मॉडर्न इंडिया की एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को मैकॉले नाम के व्यक्ति ने बनाया था। ये उन्होंने इसलिए बनाया था ताकि वो भारतीय लोगों को अपने हिसाब से शिक्षित कर सकें और ये वाली पॉलिसी आज भी चली आ रही है।
It Bunny. I made the project of Kedarnath. Kedarnath is situated in Uttarakhand of Godwal Himalaya near, and it is केदारनाथ में शिव जी की पूजा होती है और ये शिव जी के पूजा के लिए बहुत प्रतिष्ठित है और यहाँ पर ये 9 ज्योतिर्लिंगों में से एक है।